let's talk about the impact of serendipitous conversations on innovation and growth. The spark of innovation happens when you get these conversations going with diverse viewpoints. You might be talking to someone that has nothing to do with computers, but they've got a great idea that you can turn around and make it part of your digital environment. Okay, these practical digital solutions, those are going to be driving your business growth, making things go into a new level of participation in the environment that your niche occupies, okay? So I want you to enhance employee engagement, because employees that feel like they're heard, that they're part of the team, they're more productive. Well, let's get to it.
Hey team leaders, ever wonder how to spark those unexpected, game-changing conversations in the office? You know, the ones that lead to big ideas and stronger team bonds? Let's dive into how you can foster serendipitous chats in your business environment. First off, rethink your office layout. Open spaces can be magical. They encourage spontaneous interactions. Try creating common areas with comfy seating, coffee stations, or even a snack bar. These spots can become hotspots for casual yet meaningful conversations. Next, think about your meeting culture. Not every meeting needs to be formal or have a strict agenda. Introduce walking meeting. It's a great way to get people talking in a relaxed setting. Plus, a bit of fresh air never hurt anyone, right? Don't underestimate the power of team-building activities. It's not just about trust falls and ropes courses. Think virtual coffee breaks, game nights, or even a shared book club. These activities create common ground and spark conversations outside of work topics. Now, let's talk about technology. Leverage tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams. They have channels where team members can share interests, hobbies, or even funny meetings. These channels can foster connections that might not happen in a regular workday. Encourage a culture of openness. Be approachable. When team members feel they can speak up without judgment, they're more likely to share ideas and insights. Celebrate those who bring fresh perspectives, even if it's just a casual chat in the hallway. Lastly, lead by example. As a team leader, your actions set the tone. Show that you value these spontaneous interactions. Share your own experiences of how an unexpected conversation led to a breakthrough. Your team will follow suit. So, there you have it. By rethinking your office layout, embracing informal meetings, engaging in team-building activities, leveraging technology, fostering an open culture, and leading by example, you can unlock the power of unexpected chats in your office. Give it a try and watch the magic happen. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on leading your team to success. See you next time.
Hey, to contact Guy R. Cook, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, then give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.